Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to change language in Google Gemini. If you've been looking for language settings inside Google Gemini, you might be surprised. There actually isn't a dedicated toggle to switch languages. I looked through the settings myself, expecting a drop down menu somewhere, but Gemini works a little differently. Here's what happens Gemini usually responds in the same language you use to start the conversation. So if I type a question in English, the reply comes back in English. That's a default behavior. Now, if suddenly switch to Spanish in the middle of the same chat, it may still continue responding in English because that's how the conversation began. What works best? Start a brand new chat. In your first message, write your question entirely in the language you prefer, let's say Spanish, and continue using that language throughout the conversation. So instead of changing a setting, you're guiding the response language from the very first message. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.